Okay, it's March 13th, continuation video here of gardening. So, talked to you about wintertime gardening, so it's late winter now. We got some more mulch brought in, which is horse manure mixed with sawdust, and got it put on the rows, and this is what it looks like. So, these little valleys right there in between these big mounds is where we'll work up the soil, put a row in, and then this mulch is right in between that's heaped up. It looks like a mountain right now, however it will, even by the time we go to plant here, which around the 1st of May, you're gonna see first, second week of May, right in there, you're gonna see that has dropped down drastically. We have to get the brambles mulched, so they aren't mulched yet. That's why I dumped a little bit of manure over here right now. So we got our Ohio black raspberry mixed in here with some heritage red raspberry. I am going to mulch. I'm going to sweep. We brought all this in. Al brought all this in with a wheelbarrow and a sled. It was dumped on the edge of the field. It's pretty soft ground even underneath all this mulch because the ground doesn't really freeze that good with the mulch on it. So I'm going to keep the heavy equipment off of this garden for the most part, except I'm going to spread some manure with the manure spreader at the far end, a small spot, and we'll be all done mulching, and now we just get ready to plant, in another, what do we got here? Another 6 to 8 weeks we'll be planting spreader loaded, and I'm going to bring it and broadcast spread over this area. We do need some mulch over here to mulch the gooseberries and the blackberries, but I can't cover up the parsley, so we gotta find out where that parsley is underneath the snow here. So here's parsley. You can see it right there. And there's 2 rows. So there's another row right here of parsley as well. Yeah, so you can see the parsley there under the snow there. So I'm gonna make sure I don't cover that up. That's getting ready to start growing here in a couple weeks.